Hello guys. Getting this error when launching a game or app. The application was unable to start correctly, 0xc00007b. Here's how to fix it in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. Go to the official Microsoft website. Download and install both of these. vc_edist.x64.exe, vc_edist.x86.exe. Install both, even on 64-bit Windows. Restart your PC. Step 2. Install the latest DirectX Runtime. Search on Google. DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. Download from Microsoft's official site. Install it, then restart your PC again. Step 3. Run the app as administrator. Right-click the app or game. Go to Properties Compatibility. Check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply OK. Step 4. Reinstall or repair .NET Framework. Go to Microsoft.com. Search for .NET Framework Repair Tool. Download and run it. Let it fix any corrupt or missing components. Step 5. Reinstall the application. Uninstall the game or program causing the error. Reinstall it using the official installer. Make sure it's installed on the system drive, usually C. That's it. After these steps, the 0xc00007b error should be gone. If it worked, leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.